So it's Friday here again. I'm just going to be doing a quick recap on the trades I took this week, both the ones I took I hit take profit and the one I hit stop loss. So starting with GBP JPY, this is the 4 hours time frame. So this was where I got my buyers from this place. I knew that market was bullish because it reacted from this 4 hours order block, from this 4 hours order block right here. So knowing fully well that price is bullish, I knew that price was going to come and take out this overall high right here. That was why my line is there. So just left for me to go down to the lower time frame. I usually make use of 15 and 30 minutes to look for my entries. So coming down to 15 minutes time frame, market gave me an MSS here. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then this the last high was taken out right here. Okay, and then price gave me an inducement, and then this is the other block closest to my inducement. Then I marked it out and waited for market to come there, but my price didn't come to that place. It left, and after that, after leaving to that, after that place, price came on to give me a double book of structure, taking this high and this high, gave me an inducement, and then I think it's 30 minutes. Yeah, it was 30 minutes. Gave me a double break of structure and inducement, and price came to react from this other block right here. So you can see it just gave me a sniper entry. It just tapped in and started pushing up. So my take profit will be this high right here. So I just had to place my two, and then after that I looked for continuation because I know that the overall market is going to be bullish. See, price takes out this high. So after that I had to look for more continuation. So currently I'm waiting for this trade. I'm still waiting for this trade, this continuation. This is a double break of structure, market taking out this high and then this high, giving me an inducement, and then waiting for this breaker block right here. So let's watch and see what price we do. Then after that I think I had some trade on, let me check here the JPY. Okay, now this is Euro JPY. Now let me see how I got the buyers. Right, now you can see the break of structure and inducement. This is the break of structure. This is the break of structure. Yeah, this is the inducement, and then price. This is the other block. The price tapped into and started pushing up. Now after getting my buyers on the daily time frame, I just have to go down to the lower time frame to look for entry. Like I said, I make use of 15 minutes or 30 minutes mostly. Now this is the first entry. Structure shift, inducement, but market didn't come back to start buying from this other block. Then I just had to look for more opportunities. Now price gave me what, a double break of structure, taking out this high, gave me an inducement, and come and triggered from this breaker block. I started what? I started buying. So I knew that price overall was going to be bullish until it comes and take out the overall high here. So anytime I wake up, I'll just look for more continuations, more buys, more buys. So I won't go against the trend. Now after this first buy, I still had to look for more buy continuations. So I still had to look for more continuation. Now I think the other trade was from 30 minutes. Right, now you can see market gave us like multiple break of structure, taking out this high, this high, and then this high, and then price gave us an inducement which mitigated these 2 points of interest we're supposed to use as our breaker block. And now we left this one, so this was the inducement, and now I just had to use this my breaker block as the entry here. Now price had, after everything, price came and then also come and tap into this what entry and started pushing up. Now I'm still waiting for this one because this is an ongoing trade. I'm still waiting for the other entry. Now this is how I got it. Market took out this high and then this high, right? Give us an inducement, push back up. This inducement mitigated this breaker and this breaker, and then the other point of interest step is this other block. So I'm expecting market to go up and then tap into this other block and continue buying. So this is the other, this was my trade this week. I didn't take any loss on this trade. Now the other trade I took was I think UDCHF. Well, let's check GBP GPY. So I think the next trade I took was on AUD JPY. Yeah, I hit stop loss in this trade. First of all, markets keep leaving my entry. I think it was my first trade. This was my first trade here. This was my first trade. My inducement, my breaker block, price didn't tap in, so I left that one, and then I came here again. More breaker, inducement, my breaker block, price left that place again, and then finally I got this one, took out this high and this high. Okay, gave us an inducement and then came and triggered this breaker here. Then I was thinking I would get more continuation, but this other one hit stop loss. I was taken out of this trade. So I think these were the trades I took this week. I don't know, this year's the JPY. It's not this one. Let's see the JPY. Yeah, this one too, I was stopped out. Here price was just consolidating, so that's why I use this background. I actually got an entry, but price didn't come back to tap. Price didn't come back to tapping, so it just kept on buying. And then this place I got like multiple breakout structures, an inducement and my POI, but price took me out and then started pushing up, so I hit stop loss in this trade too. So basically these were the pairs I traded this week. I hope next week will be much more better. See you guys then.